Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones JVC. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Now click on your headphones and it's connecting. But if it doesn't, we should make a soft reset. So put your headphones to the charging case, close the case. After that, open it again and remove your headphones from the charging case. It also connected, but if it again didn't help you, we should remove and add our headphones. So put your headphones to the charging case, close the case, click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, then forget device. If you have Android, also click pair new device, and after that open the charging case and remove your headphones from the charging case. It should enter to pairing mode, so we should see it on the device list. Click on it. Cool. If all of this method didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. So put your headphones to the charging case, then press and hold touch buttons on your headphones until this LED light starts flashing blue. Here we go. Now close the case, click the information icon or settings icon, then forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that open the charging case and remove your headphones from the charging case. Now click on your headphones. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!